Welcome, where we unravel financial concepts with a dash of enthusiasm and a sprinkle of clarity. But before we dive into today's educational adventure, I've got a special surprise. I've launched a free stock market investing course. Yes, you heard it right. Free. The link is nestled right there in the description. So don't miss out on this golden opportunity to enhance your investing knowledge. Now, let's dive into the wonderful world of portfolios. Imagine it as your personal collection of investments, carefully curated to help you achieve your financial goals. Picture this. Think of a portfolio like a painter's palette, filled with different colors and shades. Each investment in your portfolio is like a brushstroke, contributing to the overall picture of your financial journey. It can include a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets, all selected to balance risk and reward according to your unique goals and risk tolerance. A well-diversified portfolio spreads risk across different types of investments, helping you weather market storms and potentially achieve more consistent returns over time. It's like having a safety net for your financial dreams, ready to become the curator of your own financial masterpiece. Let's explore how to create and manage a portfolio, determine your financial goals, whether it's retirement, buying a home, or funding education, then assess your comfort level with risk, how much you're willing to tolerate ups and downs in your investments. Diversify, spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions. This helps reduce the impact of a single investment's poor performance on your overall portfolio. Regularly rebalance over time. The proportions of your investments may change due to market fluctuations. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. And there you have it, curious learners, the essence of a portfolio demystified. Remember, a portfolio is your financial masterpiece, shaped by your goals, risk tolerance, and investment choices. Before you embark on creating your own portfolio, don't forget to seize that golden opportunity. The link to the free stock market investing course, ready for you below. If this video brightened your understanding, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell to stay informed. Until our next enlightening journey, happy investing, and may your portfolio always be a canvas of potential.